I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up.
Hello everyone! Hi everyone, so tonight, I'm gonna bake banana bread. Hey guys, so it says on the recipe, we need 3 bananas actually. I'm gonna peel this one. I'm gonna lower you a bit so that you can see what I'm doing. We're gonna put 3 bananas in pajamas.
Talagyan niyo nito.
Hoy, wag ka magulo dyan.
Anong, ganito.
Hoy, wag ka magulo. Wag magulo yun ang recipe ko. Ay, no, it's not my recipe though. Isa lang ang pinaka-ripe dito eh. Ito matigas pa yung dalawa. Banana bread. And we're going to add melted butter. 1/2 cup of melted butter. Need 2 eggs. Guys, my hands are clean. And what's next? TikTok. Gonna add 1/2 cup of white sugar. Brown sugar is needed, but we only had the wash sugar. We're gonna add also 1/2 cup of this. Mix it muna. Don't know if this will do, but I just dissolve the powder milk and then put it here. Since I can find the right teaspoon, yeah, I'm just gonna use the one that you use in the coffee. So I'm just gonna add this vanilla and also a baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda as well, 1/4, I guess this much. We're gonna add a little bit more and sprinkle it. Add the salt, 1/4. I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of flour. Yeah, this 1 and this is the 1/2. I'm gonna mix this thing up. 155 degrees. Thanks, that means a lot. Okay, since our mixture is done, we're gonna prepare. We're gonna spray some oil. I'm gonna put this mixture. This is the mixture that stays in. But not too sweet. I'm just gonna wait for this light to turn off so I can put this inside. I'm gonna clean my mess. I'll be right back. It's now ready, guys. This is our mixture. We're gonna leave it for 40 minutes to 50 and let's see what will happen. I'll be back in 40 to 50 minutes, guys. Guys, it's been 3 minutes since pinasok ko siya dyan. So, wala pa nangyayari. So, let's see later. Itong dalawang to, akala ko tutulungan ako gumawa ng cake. Yung pala, bread yan, bread. Bread cake. Anyhow, banana bread cake. Nakaganyan lang silang dalawa. Nagaganyan lang. By the way, guys, tomorrow may Halloween party kami na pupuntahan hosted by Ate Eliza. Pero wala pa akong naisip na susuotin. Kaya, I don't know. Maybe I'm the prettiest one. Huy! Anong peg mo tomorrow? Saan yan? Studio Ghibli. Isa Studio Ghibli. Colorful glass. Me? I don't know. Maybe I will be just me. You know, pretty inside and out. Feeling out of plan. I was baking and nagyaya sila sa Kmart. Titingin kami ng costumes for tomorrow. Hindi pala. Face paint, ganun. Yung mga anything.
Saka titingin ako ng mask eh. Yung face mask.
Oh. Oh my god, I'm scared. Who's that, guys?
Oh, is it? Oh, this one.
That's not it. Come here, come here. Nagulat ako dito eh.
So,
Niloloko ako. Bakit mo ako ginulat? Bakit mo ako ginulat? Bakit tatalikuhan? Kumarap ka din.
huwag ka dyan. Sige, mapaganipan mo yan.
Ito na yung banana cake. See, nakat ko na siya. Taste this.
It's free for all. Bawal lumabas eh.
Yum!
Moist cake. Banana.
Ano yung ba't ibang kulay?
Or guys, hindi na aesthetic yung pagkahiwa ko kasi na-excite ako. First time ko, this is not my first time. Actually, this is my course. My strand nung senior high school ako. Crunchy siya. I love it. Perfect! Who's that? Hi! Hi! Halloween party! Yay! Yee! Hello everyone! Today is the day. Mag-Halloween party kami dito sa house nila Ate Eliza. And si Ate Apple ay nagluluto. And this one? Who's this one? Who's this little boy? Who's this little boy? This is the snack bar. Ito yung mga pagkain.
Hi! MC!
Hi! Ate Apple's cooking sisi with chocowal. And this one is some takeaways. So this is the first time na mag-Halloween party kami here sa Melbourne. Is this your first time?
Haven't been a Halloween party.
Yeah. Ang costume niya is si No Face. Ako wala. Ito na yung costume ko. Sweet lang. Hey guys! We're now getting ready. Gonna get Sissy. And the chef, No Face. By the way, guys, ito na yung itsura namin ni Ate Apple. Ito si Ate siya. Nawala na yung mga ano ko. Eye drops. Guys, andito na si Ate Apple. I'm a wish. No face. No face. No face. So guys, meron kaming bisita dito. Ito siya.
Ano may sabi no face? No!
Ate Apple, okay ka pa dyan? Yeah. Yeah.
How many shots of tequila?
7.
How many shots of tequila?
My last one is 7. 7 di ka ba?
This is why we should video. How many shots you guys did? Ayan na po sila.
Hi guys! Nandito kami sa Crown. Kakain kami ng lunch. And then si Taylor Swift. Oh! There. That's Taylor. Maghahanap kami ng food to eat for lunch. Hi everyone! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa demo na pinagpipinahan ng lahat. Kaya ito-try natin siya. Weather ngayon is pouring. Pouring rain.
Pouring.
Hindi, umulan guys. Parang kaganto.
Ipanood mo, gano'n ba kayo pinagpapilahan? Malayo ba yung pila?
Malayo yung pila. Punta kayo dito.
Hanggang Pilipinas?
That's the line guys. Mahaba. Mahaba.
MC! Salita!
Hi guys. Ito nakapasok na tayo.
Okay.
This is the menu, guys. Very aesthetic. There's a lot of people. Yeah, we're just going to order. Play pancake.
Sa akin ng
Sarap, hindi siya no? Madami. Light feeding. Cross.
Run your race.
London Bridge is falling down. Place na to guys, kung nakikita nyo, marami siyang tao. Hindi nyo lang nakikita ngayon, but later on. Ay, sorry.
Sa mga kapabalagan.
Pero later on, marami din sila. As you can see, it goes straight to the DFO. And later, unfortunately, it's not clear today because of the weather. It's raining in Manila. Hindi, umuulan kasi kaya ganito yung water. Or ganito na talaga yung water. Ewan ko guys, research nyo.
I-TikTok dance mo na to, MC. I love you and me. Dancing in the moonlight.
Look at me. Yeah, but then I'm gonna... You know I like it, girl. Truly, you know I like it, girl. Kay Chaeyoung tsaka kay Jungkook, nag-post sila ng ano nila, ng cover nila. Cover din. Monday, Tuesday. Sorry, hindi po ako marunong sumayaw. Singing lang po. Bye guys!
Paano yung transition?
Pupunta na kami sa carpet. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Yo. Ito na kami sa loob ng Melbourne Convention. Wow! Ito na kami ng Melbourne Convention. Bawal masyadong maingay kasi this is a sacred place. Hindi. Museum pala to guys. Sorry, first time ko lang dito. And actually, nag-park lang talaga kami.
Transition, kunyari na-drop yung ano.
Hi guys! Nandito kami sa lookout. Yung may marakit. Ayan! I-take off na flight na aeroplano. Dito kami sa lookout. Makikita namin yung pagbaba ng plane. Take off. Ganun. Malamig ba? Di naman masyado. Nandito kami sa food truck. Oh! Ang lapit pala nung video ko kanina. Itong place na to, yung nagtitake off yung plane and yung pababa yung plane tapos pataas. Ata, sobrang lamig. Bibili ng pagkain. Guys, may lilipad yun.